Now let's work on editing the book here and creating that as well. In the book controller, we have the Upsert post action. Let me uncomment that. The model here will be book view model, and we have model state.isValid. Now you can keep model state.isValid, but I will remove that. That way, if we get some model state validation error, I do not want to waste time on solving that because that will be related to MVC. I want to focus purely on EF core. Here we need to check the ID, so that is inside book dot we have the book ID. If that is 0, in that case we need to create the book here. So rather than category, we will be adding a book here, and we won't be adding the obj, it will be obj.book. Let me copy and paste that for update here. Rather than add async, this will be update. We do not need the return back to the view. Let me remove that. And the Upsert post looks good. Let me also fix the delete right here. We will be retrieving book, and this will be a book obj. It will be based on the book ID. And when we have to remove, we will go to underscore db.books db set and remove that. Perfect. So both Upsert post and delete looks good here. With that in place, let me run the application and try this out. We will go to book here. Let me try to create a book here. I will select publisher 3 here, which is Ben, and the title is Ben Burger Shack. Let's create. Perfect, it is there. If we click on edit, everything looks great here. Let me try to edit the publisher to publisher 1 and ISBN to 555, price to 55. And let's make sure all the properties, yep, they are updating as expected. I will revert back and save that. Great. If I try to delete the EF core book here, delete is also functional. Now before I end the video, let me go back to the code here, and we have the output window. Let me clear everything, and I will try to click create once again and see what query was executed when it tried to retrieve publisher. If you see here, it has the select statement, and it is only asking for name as text, and when it is retrieving the publisher ID, it is converting that to varchar 11. With that, we can see how smart EF core is. It did not retrieve all the properties from database. It knew that using projection for dropdown, we are only looking for 2 properties. So in the select statement, it only asked for 2 properties. So perfect. With that, we have create, edit, and delete working for the book entity here.